Hello team and welcome to another lean improvement. Today I want to showcase an improvement made with Clickup docs. So what I was doing originally was using a lot my notes, which it's still an awesome app to use. But what wasn't cool is that I was kind of like gatekeeping information from the team. So I was wondering how to make this information more let's say, easier to access for the whole team. So I was, as you can see, this is the original thing, like having hot items for the cryptac spot, general, per cluster, notes, and with dates of things, let's say, worth taking notes down for to check up on the next days or next weeks. So what I did instead using ClickUp is that in the cryptex general space, I added a document over here, which is the same thing, like cryptex hot items, and made it a bit prettier as well. And in here, as you can see, we have the general pod section and subheadings, or headings, I think. And you can also find them here. For example, if I want to see what's going on with cluster 2, it takes me to cluster 2, and it has like a bunch of things that you can add here, as you can see, like banners, checklists, toggle list, buttons, everything. For this specific document, I use the toggle list, so the document doesn't look too dense at first. But if you want more information, for example, for Boulder, there was an update last week about their main things, but there was another main update before we went to break, and this was what came out of that, let's say, hot item or mentor meeting. So you can see that, let's say, background over here, which I find very interesting. And yeah, I think this is a good way for the whole team to be able to visualize what's going on their cluster, on another clusters, and in general their whole pod, and everyone can pitch in as well to add their hot items or things that they want to keep an eye out for. And another quick thing that I really liked is that you can also make whatever you write down here a task. For example, I wrote down that this was a hot item for procurement, and what I did is just like basically put cursor over the text that I wanted to make a task, click on create task, and you can choose the list that you want to make it part of and assign people and everything. So as you can see, this is now a task, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So yeah, hope you like it.